When I was back home, we never had hairs like this. We shaved our hair.
And from the research, majority of black people actually have 4C type of hair or 4B type of hair, which means they have the most difficult hair to handle. You need to understand that the average human hair grows half an inch in a month, right? Which makes it what? 6 inches in a year. So if your hair grows half an inch in a month, then you now go to the salon, you sit down there and allow someone that lacks knowledge of how to handle human hair to devour and dissect your hair. Please tell me, how are you going to retain 6 inches in a year? If you don't want to learn the hard way, like I did 5 years ago.
Ow. Zoe, what is ow?
It's hurting.
What's hurting?
Ow.
Listen, if you don't want me to do your hair, you say it.
Here are some valid questions you need to ask that hairdresser of yours before you give he or she access to your hair. The fourth one, I'll wait for the fourth one.
When I was back home, we never had hairs like this. We shaved our hair.
The fourth point I'm about to mention is enough for you to wear your hair bonnet and leave that place, because they don't care about your hair, they care about the money. You bring out your hair bonnet from your bag, it will be easy like this. Just tell them, shalom, thank you very much for your service, and you do what? You disappear. Good night. Okay, perfect. Let's chat. If you're a hairdresser watching this video, I'm not trying to discourage you. This video is just to educate you people on how to cater for people's hair, okay? And I feel like before you actually open salons, please, you need to actually understand the human hair, how the human hair works, grows, and how to manage human hair before you actually think of allowing people to come into your salon and you braid their hair, you twist their hair. Because do you know what it means to have excessive split ends? I learned this one the hard way. This video I posted a few years ago will explain everything to you. The hair looks fine and all of that, but the amount of split ends I got after loosening this hair. So like I said, the fourth point I'm about to mention is enough for you to wear your hair bonnet and run for your life, because they don't care about your hair. Majority of them don't care. So the number one question you should ask is what? Please, I have natural hair. Can you handle natural hair? If the person says no, and if the person is willing to learn, because sometimes some of us will actually have knowledge of how to handle our hair, it's just that we don't have time, right? So you need to sit down and let someone be doing your hair while you are doing other things on your phone or on your laptop. Some people that take their laptops to the salon. So if the person is willing to learn how to manage your hair, perfect. The person is okay. You can work with that person, right? But I too know. Leave me to do my work. Leave me to do what I am supposed to do. My dear, learn for your life. Yes, in Eric Gugwa's voice, learn for your life. Now, if after asking them, can they handle natural hair, the ones that are willing to learn will do your hair, or the ones that say, yes, I can handle natural hair, go further and ask this question. How do you handle natural hair?
You know that this girl said it's not breaking. Shall I told you? This is why you they do the same hair mask for.
No, like ask them, okay, tell me, how do you handle natural? Because I have 4C hair. Tell me, how do you handle the hair? From the explanation, you should now know whether you can stay or you should go. Do you understand what I'm saying? Majority of them don't know they are supposed to divide the hair into 4 sections or smaller sections in order to enable the manageability of the human hair. Do you understand what I just said? Dividing your hair into smaller sections will enable the process to go smoothly. You won't have to deal with hair breakage or loss of split ends. So if they explain the procedure perfectly well for you, how they are going to use the water, leave-in conditioner, oil and all of that, if they explain everything for you perfectly, good, then that means this person knows what he or she is doing, then you can stay. But if the person is beating around the bush, the person does not know what he or she is saying, because Seba and Paul one lady going at that salon together, they don't care about your hair, they care about your money. After all, that's the sole purpose of opening a salon for most people. It's just very few that actually care about the health of your hair. Majority of them don't care about the health of your hair. Good. Number 3, this one happened to me in this video I posted a few years ago. I went to the salon, I opened my hair because I know how difficult it is to handle my hair sometimes, because my hair is 4C and it's long, right? So I detangled my hair from home. I did everything so that once I get there, what the hairdresser will do is just to braid this, to section the hair and braid it, right? The moment I removed my hair bonnet, this woman said, madam, you did not comb your hair today. And I'm like, I did. I combed my hair. And the next thing she said, no, you not comb your hair now. I kept on saying I combed my hair. So which means what she's trying to say is that she can't handle what? Shrinkage. Shrinkage will make you think your hair is not well detangled. You can literally detangle your hair properly and the hair will shrink inside. So the woman didn't understand that natural hair shrinks inside very, very well. And there I was, combing my hair again. And if you see the amount of hair that was breaking, I don't want to remember the incident, because at the end of the day, after I loosened that hair, I had to chop off more than 3 inches to 4 inches of my hair. Yes, I had lots of split ends. I'm not even kidding. Lots of split ends. Now, the 4th one that I told you people to stay tuned for is that is when they use this comb. Let me zoom it so people will see very well. This rat tail comb to detangle your hair. See, there's absolutely no way this comb can detangle natural hair. There's no way. But for some weird reason, some hairdressers think this comb can detangle natural hair. How? Tell me how? Make it make sense. This comb has tiny mouth. The holes are very tiny. Natural hair is coily. It has coily texture. There's no way this comb can detangle this hair. I'm sorry, I'm trying to be myself at the same time be professional. Yeah. So the point I'm trying to make is that this comb is not meant for detangling natural hair. You can use this place to section your natural hair, which is perfect, okay? But you can't use this comb to detangle your natural hair. It's not possible. Our hair is coily. Some people's hair is very, very coily. So the best comb to use to detangle your natural hair is this comb. It's called what? Wide tooth comb. This is a perfect comb to detangle your natural hair. If you go to the salon and they bring out this comb to detangle your hair, see, just tell them, hello ma, just hold on. You don't need to ask any question. Just bring out your hair tie, cover your hair like this. Good. Then you do like this. Shalom, thank you very much for your service. We'll see again. That is it. They are just welcoming hair breakage, frustration, headache, too much tension on your scalp, and a lot more. Sometimes this thing will even lead to alopecia. Yes, when you keep on losing excessive hair all in the name of putting too much tension on your scalp. You think it's only hairstyles that lead to alopecia or old age that leads to alopecia. Putting too much tension on your scalp leads to alopecia. Okay? If they are willing to learn, teach them. Have patience and teach them. But if they are not willing to learn and all they care about is your money, please go to someone else that actually care about the health of your hair. And like I said before, always bear it at the back of your mind whenever you feel like doing something chaotic to your hair or something toxic to your hair. The average human hair grows half an inch in a month. Yes, every month your hair actually grows, except if you have health problems, health issues, then that means you need to treat it internally. You go to the hospital and they will tell you exactly what to do. If you are in good health, trust me, your hair is growing. You only need products to help you retain length, you to stimulate blood circulation around your scalp. That's when the hair growth oil, the tea spray comes in. Hair products are there to help you manage your hair, maintain your hair, just like skincare products. Okay, if you don't do skincare, there's no way your skin will look good, right? So as long as you are alive, you are breathing, you are in good health, your hair is growing. Your work is to make sure you are retaining the length. So if you keep on going to the salon where they are damaging your hair, they are doing all sort of nonsense to your hair, all in the name of styling your hair, I'm sorry to tell you this, they also contribute to the problem you're having. So please, you need to be very mindful of those who give access to your hair. Be very, very careful of those who give access to your hair. Your hairdresser can either make or break your hair. The same goes with you. Some of you are not patient with your hair. Some of you want to handle your hair very, very fast. There's something I do whenever I'm washing my hair, and that is I make sure to relax and cater for my hair. It's like a hair therapy, sort of. Okay, so I make sure I'm not in a hurry, nothing is disturbing me. I just want to calm down and take care of my hair. So please and please and please, to grow natural hair or relax hair, it's not that difficult. I'm telling you this out of experience. It's not that difficult. And if at all you're giving someone else access to your hair, make sure that person actually understands how to handle your hair properly. That's all. So if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Over 81% of you all are not subscribed to the channel, which is actually bad. Okay, so please take your time, click down here which says subscribe, and turn on post notification bell so you don't miss when I upload new videos. New video coming up in the next 2 days. Thank you and see you in my next upload. Bye. Last but not the least, when you go to the salon, in fact, there's sometimes you don't need to ask any questions, right? Once you go there and you sit down, they remove your hair tie to begin the process. The moment they say, "Madam, put relaxer on your hair," that's enough. You don't even need to ask any question. That's enough. Which means this person can't handle what? Natural hair. She prefer relaxed hair that is straight, and it's not as if the relaxed hair they can handle it very well, because my sister's hair, I had to take over the entire procedure, handling her hair, the hairstyle, every single thing. I do it by myself. And you can see this was her hair before, and this is the current stage of her hair. Her hair is thriving, her hair is doing perfectly well, all thanks to how I handle her hair. So which means these people don't actually have knowledge of how to handle your natural hair. The perfect thing for you to do is what? Let me show you, in case you don't know. You bring out your hair branch from your bag. It will lay easy like this. You put your hair inside, just tell them, "Shalom, thank you very much for your service," and you do what? You disappear. Good night.